Happy Tuesday, everyone. I hope you all had a wonderful Monday. My name is Miss Marcano, and today we will be working on beginning, middle, and ending sounds. Hola, mi nombre es señorita Marcano. Hoy nosotros trabajando en sonidos, los sonidos de inicio, mitad, y final. Before I get started, I just want to explain something that my students were working on when thinking about beginning, middle, and ending sounds is we focused a lot on kid writing. Los estudiantes en mi clase trabajar en un programa que se llama kid writing. So in this program, the students focus on each sound of a word. So for example, the word cat, they would focus on hearing the three different sounds. So they'd hear k, a, t, and we would focus on those three sounds that they'd hear, and we'd ask them to write down the letters for each sound that they hear. Este programa es un programa que los estudiantes oye la palabra y oye los sonidos en esta palabra. Por ejemplo, gato, okay? G, A, T, O, gato. Es 4 different sounds, 4 sonidos que los estudiantes oyen. And los estudiantes escriben cada sonido en esta palabra. So that's what we're going to try and do today for our students. So we will be focusing on beginning, middle, and ending sound. Nosotros trabajando en los sonidos de inicio, mitad, y final. Okay, so I will now start my screen. Alrighty, beginning, middle, and ending sounds. Inicio, mitad, final, sonidos. Okay, so now for all of my students out there, let's get ready to listen to the words that we will be saying now, okay? Here we go. Oh, this is a dog. I want everyone to say dog. Great job. So Miss Marcano's going to model this for you first, and later on you will start to do this by yourself. So Miss Marcano will do this one for all of us so you can see how we can do this. Here we go. So this is a dog. When I say the word dog, I have to listen to the different sounds that I hear in the word dog. So here we go. I hear d, a, g. I heard 3 different sounds. I heard d, a, g. Okay, let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Great job. So now I have to wonder, what is the beginning sound that we hear here? What is the beginning sound? El inicio sonido. What is that beginning sound? D, d, d. Miss Marcano thinks that's the first sound that we hear. Let's see. Yes, D. D makes the sound d, d, d. Now I need to think of my second sound. This is my middle sound. So if I have D and I need the next sound, ah, because it's dog. So D, ah. I have to ask myself, Miss Marcano, what letter makes the sound ah, ah, ah? Oh, yes. So then I would write my letter O. Great job. So now I have to think of my ending sound. My ending sound goes right over here, okay? So I need to think, what is the ending sound that I hear in dog? So I have d, a, g, g, g. Okay, so now I have the sound g, g, g. But what letter makes the sound g, g, g? Oh, I know, G. Like garden, garden, g, g, g. Great job. So before we continue, I will let everyone know on a little secret. So when I ask for the beginning sounds, I will put the color in red. Cuando yo pregunto ¿qué es el sonido inicio? Esta letra is going to be red, in rojo. When I think of the middle sound, el mitad sonido, I will make the color orange, naranja. And when I ask what is the ending sound, I will do the color green, verde, for el sonido final. Okay, so now let's try to do the next one together. Here we go. Oh, okay, friends. Who can tell me what this is called? Mop. Great job. How many sounds do we hear in the word mop? I'll give you some time to think about it. So Miss Marcano hears ah. I hear 3 sounds. Did you hear 3 sounds? Let's try that again. Ah. Awesome job. So the first sound, the beginning sound we have here, that's the color in red. I want to say that that's a What letter makes a sound Did you say M? Great job. That is right. It is the letter M. Okay, what is the middle sound we hear? The middle sound. So we have ah. What letter makes the sound ah? Oh, great job. Okay. Let's listen up for the ending sound. Here we go. Ah. P, p, p. Who can tell me what letter makes that sound? P. Fantastic. So we'll go over these again. Our beginning sound is Our middle sound is ah. And our ending sound is p, p, p. We put it all together and it is mop. Great job. Okay, let's see what other pictures we have. Oh, Miss Marcano has plenty of these in her house. Okay, what is this called? Now this is all on you. What is this called? A fan. Fantastic. Now tell me, how many sounds do we hear in this word? If you said 3, you would be correct. We hear fan. Fantastic. Okay, what is that first sound we hear? Fantastic. We hear that F, like fish. That is our beginning sound, el sonido inicio. Fantastic. What is our middle sound? El sonido mitad. What is our middle sound of fan? Great job. If you said ah, you are correct. It is ah, ah, ah. Ah is for the letter A. Okay, what is our ending sound? So we have ah, we need an ending sound now. Who can tell me what the ending sound is? Great job. It is that is our ending sound. So we have ah, put it together, fan. Fantastic. Alrighty, let's try this one. Who can tell me what this is? A pig, yes. Now I want you to take time to think, how many sounds do we hear in the word pig? 3 sounds, fantastic. Let's do it together. P, g. Alrighty, what is our beginning sound? ¿Qué es el sonido inicio? What is our beginning sound? Oh, if you said p, 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 you'd be correct. P makes the sound P, P, P. What is our middle sound? The middle sound that we hear in the middle here. So we have P. What's the next sound we hear? Oh, if you said like igloo, you are correct. That is our middle sound. Es el mitad sonido. What is our ending sound now? ¿Qué es el sonido final en esta palabra? What is our ending sound? G, g, g. Fantastic. G makes the sound g, g, g. So we have p, g. Put it together. Pig. Fantastic. Uh-oh. We have a challenge. We have been challenged. Do we think we can do this? Of course. So let's keep it moving. Who can tell me what this word is? What's this picture? It's a clock. Fantastic. How many sounds do we hear in the word clock? Miss Marcano hears 3. I hear ku, ah, k. Now let's focus on this right here. Cool, cool. I don't know of a letter that makes the sound cool. So I think I might have to go back to my classroom resources and check out what I can see. So let's go and look at our next thing. Oh, perfect. So I have a list that I have at home that helps me figure out certain words that certain letters I could use. So let's focus on the first 3 right here. So let's remember that the word that we're trying to figure out is clock, but we need to find out the first sound, cool. So is it SN like snowflake? Is it CL like cloud? Or is it TH like thumb? What is the 2 letters that we need for clock? Fantastic. If you said CL for cloud, you are correct. That's what we will be using to fill in our frames here. Fantastic. So now let's go and look at this. So this is a clock, okay? And we know that we just saw that CL put together makes the cool sound, okay? So now we're going to put that in here. CL, that makes cool. That is our beginning sound. Estas letras junto es un sonido inicio. This is our beginning sound, these 2 letters. Now, what is our middle sound? ¿Qué es el mitad sonido? Middle sound. If we have cool, ah, good job. Oh, that is our middle sound. Now, what is our ending sound here? K, k, k. Great job. So I put a C, but I know that some students may put a K, or you can use CK. But remember this, that we are kid writing. So it's whatever sound you hear. So you can put whatever letter you would like, but Miss Marcano right now, since we're kid writing, is going to put a C at the end of it because that's the sound that I hear. Okay, so we have cool, ah, k. Put it together, clock. Fantastic. All right, my dears, this is the last one for the day. Who can tell me what this is? A train. Fantastic. So now let's figure out, how many sounds do we hear in train? Awesome. Miss Marcano hears that there are 3 sounds. Tr, a, n. Okay, so let's figure out our first sound over here. Our beginning sound, el inicio sonido. Tr, tr, tr. I don't know of any letter in the alphabet that makes a tr, tr, tr. So we'd have to go and check back to my classroom resource. So that's here. But I just like us to focus on the bottom 3 right down here, okay? So we have TR, which makes a tr, like tree. We have SL, which is like slug. And then we have SW, which is like swan. So which one reminds you more of a train? Remember, we're looking for the first two letters, tr, tr, tr. If you said TR, you are correct. TR is the same as tree, the beginning sound for tree, and TR is going to be our beginning sound for train. So there goes our train. Let's get our TR right in the beginning here. There it goes. Okay, now we are going to do our middle sound. What is our middle sound in train? ¿Qué es el sonido mitad en esta palabra train? So we have tr, a. Great job. What letter is that? It's literally saying its name. A. Fantastic. Okay, so now we need to think of our ending sound, for train. Oh, if you said you would be correct. Our ending sound is N makes the sound
So I'm so happy that you stuck through with me, and we worked on our letter sounds, we worked on our beginning sounds, our middle sounds, our ending sounds, and we even did a few blends through some of the words like train. So I'm so happy that I had this opportunity to work with all of you, and I hope that you use this in your future writing and helping you think about the different sounds that you hear throughout your day. So I know that tomorrow you'll be with Miss Stoughton, and I know you're going to be so excited. I hope that you have a phenomenal rest of your Tuesday, and I will see you soon.